Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, here today to talk to you about our Steeda S550 Mustang Sport Progressive Lowering Springs. Our Sport Progressive Springs are the most popular springs we offer for the S550 Mustang, and there's a great reason for this. It's because they are phenomenal for daily driven cars, yet they increase performance. You may wonder, how in the world is it that they do that? I'm going to tell you how we do that. Due to the progressive nature of the springs, they start out at a milder rate and then transition or progress into a firmer rate. What this means is, during normal street driving, you're going to remain in that milder rate, so you have a great ride quality. But when you start to push the car some more, it's going to transition into the firmer rates. Specifically, the front spring rates range from 145 pounds up to 225 pounds, while the rears range from 525 pounds up to 820 pounds. It's a nice wide range, a nice wide progression from one rate to the other. Now this is important because as you get into sporting driving, as you start to brake hard and the car wants to pitch, these will help prevent nosedive. Likewise, as you're going through the corners and the car wants to roll, these will resist body roll, so you're going to get great handling. Now, just as importantly for our drag race guys, when you go to launch your car, the car is not going to squat, it's going to set and it's going to go. In addition to the performance gains, these will lower your car just over 1 inch at the front and 1 inch at the back, so you get the perfect rate. And if you want to complement that, add a set of 20-inch wheels. The springs will fit both coupes and convertibles. Great ride quality, improved aerodynamics, and increased performance. It's no wonder these are our most popular springs. If you enjoyed the content of this video, please click like and share it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this as well. Be sure to visit us at Steeda.com to learn more about these springs and many of our other great components that we offer for your Mustang and many other Ford vehicles. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and most importantly, have a great day.